We're on our way to USPS and then the embroidery place. I can't wait to see how my sweaters will turn out, but let's go ahead and get going. Headed to the embroidery place now. We just got off USPS. Okay guys, we're at the place. This is the place, and then I'm just filling out some orders. Got my sweat hoodies in here. It's like 10 of them. Good evening guys. So this is like 4 days later after I dropped off my hoodies for the embroidery place. So we're gonna go ahead and pick it up today. She told me it will be ready at 5 or 6 p.m. and right now it's like 4 something. So I'm gonna drop off some packages and then we'll head over there to pick it up. I'll take you guys with me. And yeah, look at this hair wrap style. Let me know if you guys want any hair wrap tutorials. I know it's not my field or whatever, but I have one hair wrap style that I do. I used to do this thing where I'll have a little bun in front, but with my head shape, you have to do certain style depending on how your head is shaped. Okay, so we're here. We're gonna go ahead and get to getting our stuff. We have to make payment, of course. So anyways, I'm gonna get out and yeah, so I'm gonna go in and see how it is and then pay, and then you know how it is when you go buy something. That's basically how it is. Okay everyone, so we finally got our merch. This is one of our hoodies. It's a cotton blend. I think it's like 20% or 50% cotton, and the other material, I forgot what the other material is, but this is the embroidery. You like the purple on it? Check it out. It says VoyageFlower, what's in your soap, and he has the YouTube and Instagram. I don't know why the purple is blinking, but that's the flower, and then the middle is just brown. Let me see how she did this brown. It's the same brown as but yeah, I mean, that's my hoodies. I had these hoodies when I was doing sewing before. I wanted to like do African prints on them before, but I tucked them somewhere because I stopped doing sewing for a little bit. It wasn't for me, so I put it away for a little bit, and then I just now remember that I have some, because I was looking to get my business logo on some shirts, and I was looking online and I was like, why is this so expensive? And then I remember I had some sweaters left, so I'm gonna show you one by one. I decided to do this brown one today. Isn't it so pretty? I like how it's like in the middle, and it's not too big and it's not too small. Like you can still see it. If someone is like 5 feet from you, they can still see it. And if you're close enough, obviously you can still see it. But anyways, that's that. But anyways, yeah, it was a decent price. If you live in Chicago, let me know. Hit me up. I'll hook you up. But it was decent. I like it. It's pretty. Let me show you guys the other sweaters. So I have 2 of these brown ones. So this is the second brown. And I have 2 of these blue ones. I did the blue one. I have 2 of these green ones. Let me see that. Looks pretty cool. My favorite one is this brown one, of course. It's also my my business color, the brown. And this is a pink. It's like a peach pink. It's not like a pink. And then we have a yellow one. I also like yellow. I like yellow, brown, green, light blue. And then we got this one is also my favorite. I like it. It turned out really good on this one too. I love it. And then last one, we got this black one. But for the black one, since we can do black on black, I did brown hair, brown afro, and green letters. So these are actually green, and then the white Instagram logo. Yeah, but and then it still kept the purple, but it looks really nice. I like it. It turned out good. I like the green. And then this is my regular sweater that I have. I also did a logo on it. I love this sweater. You can see the logo on it. But my plan is to turn every plain shirt that I have, every plain sweaters that I have, to put my logo on it. I don't want to wear anything that does not represent my business. You know what I mean? But yeah, that is all for today. These are not for sale, by the way. I was just showing you what I've been doing, like any updates to my business. I got some business clothing, you know, sweaters for now, but obviously when summer comes, we'll do t-shirts and probably tank tops. And yeah, I don't think the tank tops, no. But yeah, when summer gets here, we'll probably do t-shirts, short sleeve shirts, and what else? Just honestly anything that I have that's plain, that doesn't have any writings on it, which is something that I try to do. I try to buy something that doesn't have any writing on it so I can implement my logo on it. So yeah, that's all. Before I had it printed, and it was so bad because every time I wash it, the paint will slowly come off. So I was like, you know what? This time I'm getting it stitched. I'm getting some embroidery on it instead of getting it painted or printed. But yeah, that is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and start my live. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post my Voyagers After Hour, because I'm about to go do one right now. We're just gonna talk about some business mistakes and all that, so it's probably gonna be up before this video. So I thank you so much for watching. Continue to love. I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.